In this video, I will be telling you guys how you guys can delete the background on the Canva. For that, the process is very simple, easy, and to the point. Make sure you visit the canva.com, and will be the link in the description below. Make sure you guys can check it out. So once you're on the board of the Canva, what you have to do is to upload image into the Canva. So once you have uploaded the image, all you have to do, there is a background remove button on the top of that, and just go ahead and click on it. And once you have clicked that, the background will be removed that easily. So it's very easy to the point. And if you want to, enhance the removing process of the background, if you think the automatic thing, skip something, just go ahead and click on it. And it will redirect you to the sub page where you guys can zoom into your image and remove some parts that you think that shouldn't be in the picture. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. The subscribe button will be down here. Like, share, take care. Bye bye.